like it. Quentin King, welcome. Good to have you here again this morning.
Yes, sir. You bet.
And I'm Paul. We're at Music Villa in Bozeman, Montana. And we have a new Martin. This is a limited edition. What number did we get? I can't even remember.
You got number 48 out of a total of 190.
190. This is the new Martin D. Sorry, I didn't mean to touch your finger.
That's all right. You
All
can.
right.
I'm not offended
All
by
right.
it. It's a.
This
What's the model number?
is a D-19.
We've known each other for a long time.
Yeah.
It's okay that you incidentally touched
Yeah.
my finger during one
Sometimes
of
that
these
can
videos.
be weird when you do that to someone.
If you put it on there and left it, then
Right.
I'd be like, then
that's true.
we'd be talking to HR.
Yeah.
But that's all right. What do we get looking
Okay,
at?
so check this out. Okay, D-19, what do you think that is? Where do you think that came about?
I don't know. I'd say somewhere between the.
What about the number in there?
the D?
Read-
I'd say becoming between. Oh wait, you
read
said
read the
Yeah,
number
no,
again.
it's an odd one.
43?
it's
43 out of 190, that's what it says?
48 out of
48
190.
out of 190. What do you think the 190 is?
Ah, I see.
190 years old.
Wait, that's
Martin
what.
guitar.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not good on the fly with math.
No,
I need
but
a
see,
calculator to
because
do tips
your
and
brain
stuff.
can't imagine a 190-year-old guitar company.
Not really. No,
1833.
that's crazy.
So, Mr. Martin arrives
All right.
in New York City in 1833, starts building guitars, then he moves over to Pennsylvania. In 1976, they had an anniversary then, and they came out with a D-19 in 1976. Now they're redoing it again for the 190th. So
Yeah.
this is just kind of a special run. There's only 190 of them. Obviously, it's Dreadnought. What do you think that top is?
I mean, I want to say mahogany.
That's what I thought too. But guess what?
It's because
It's mahogany back and sides.
mahogany back and sides, but this top, based on your
I
description.
got a lot of questions for you this morning.
I know that's all right. I'm failing pop quizzes.
That's all right. I'm only doing that to you because no one would ever know what this is.
Right.
It's Adirondack spruce.
Get out.
Yeah,
Because
so-
of the stain. They've
They
stained
do
it.
a microburst kind of a finish on it, like on top of it to make it look like a mahogany top.
Oh, okay.
But it's cool. But it's an Addy top. Cool binding. Looks good.
It's a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Yeah, there you go.
That's how I describe it.
Yeah, that's
When you
yeah,
have
okay.
Addy
Let's hear it again.
masquerading
I'll
as
stop blabbing
mahogany.
here.
It needs to open a little bit. There's a little bit. There's definitely something on the low end.
Well, it's also got the Lux
Lux,
Kovar
yeah.
strings. Which kind of mellows it out a little bit.
But it's still.
I wish I
sounds
could.
like a Martin.
I wish I could instantly have some phosphor bronze on here. That's what we should do. Play these again, throw some phosphor bronze on there, and see which one we like better. Remember, these strings are kind of mellow, a little bit in between a Monel and a phosphor bronze, right?
And if you can feel it too. I mean, it's. They almost feel just softer.
Right.
I don't know how
Yeah.
to explain it.
They're not as snappy.
I agree.
Yeah.
That's a good way to describe it.
All right, so limited edition. I'll let you.
Yeah, we'll do a little playing on
Yeah.
it. It's really nice. I love the way it plays.
Yeah,
And it's an
just-
interesting look because it.
it's a
I first
mahogany
looked.
and
What is it?
Adirondack.
Is it the 15 series that are all mahogany?
Yeah.
I'd be like,
Yeah,
why?
it looks- yeah.
Why are you charging so much
This
for a
looks
15?
like a custom shop.
It
piece,
is. Well,
so
it's very
I
pretty.
guess it kind of is too.
190 years.
190 years. Martin,
There you go. The
Congratulations.
D-19. Not a lot of these going to be floating around for
Nope.
sure.
Well, no, there's 190 to be exact.
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Yes,
Quentin,
sir.
Thank you.
You bet.
Thanks for watching.